it's fantastic that a person of that stature is giving the kind of time, and when he's talking, the kind of things that he is, and he's really taking interest in correcting you.
This is Nikunj Deviraj from Thane. How he
All right.
reacts to this entire controversy around Big Boss winner. People say Asim should have won, but even I like Siddharth only. But why this controversy has to be created and by whom?
Uh, I really wouldn't know, maybe some upset people would have said that, but that's all good. It doesn't make a difference. I've been through the journey. There are some people who feel bad about, has their section of people out there, people vouching for, rooting or for somebody, and some people rooting. So when their person doesn't win that they're rooting for, they happen to come up with things like these, but they're completely baseless. I know it because there are a lot of facts that go into this. And once you know that, then that's fine.
This is Sonali Dangol from Biratnagar, Nepal. What's your favorite memory of Big Boss?
What's my favorite? Favorite, obviously, two favorites. One was entering, and the last one, the way I exited.
Okay, and what is it that you personally learned from Salman Khan?
What have I learned from Salman Khan? My interaction with Salman sir has been on weekend episodes where, it's just been about interaction during that time, So you learn from people when you're actually sitting down a lot and you are spending a lot of time. This time, yes, but this was work related, right? So then one really doesn't know. But then one thing that I really understand is, of course, we understand that's a job, and for him as well as for us, that was the kind of interactions that were happening. But what I really understand is it's fantastic that a person of that stature is giving the kind of time, and when he's talking, the kind of things that he is, and he's really taking interest in correcting you, and sometimes even if he happens to scold you sometimes, you know that it's for your betterment. It doesn't make a difference to his life whether you exist or you don't exist, right? Because he's having a wonderful life on his own. But when the man happens to, so it just feels wonderful that even when you reach a place like that, the way you happen to be concerned and considerate about people around. And I think that's fabulous and that's fantastic, because I'm sure there are a lot of things running in his life. But the man still finds time for others. And I think that is wonderful. And, others, we know of all the work that the man does. And it's just fantastic, for a person to be channelized like that, where, all these things come into his vision. So it just feels wonderful, yeah.
All right, this is Shruti from Pakistan. Shruti from Varanasi.
Okay.
Were you aware inside BB House that you have a huge army of Sid Hearts outside standing with you?
On the contrary, not at all. In fact, when I went in, I knew, that I had a few people out there, who would support me for sure. And those are the people that I was very confident that, okay, chalo, I will have these people. But, the toughest part about Big Boss is that you are to be yourself inside the house. And for me, the shortcoming was that my audience was there with me for the characters I was playing. And those characters were not a lot like the way I am. And this was the scary part. And, when I go out there and be myself, are those people who love me for the characters that I play and love the characters that I've played, would they have that kind of love for me too or would they accept me for the way I am? And the only realization came was once I got out of the house, to know that yes, it was, and they did accept me, and it just feels wonderful, because all this while that I was, when I had people message me or talk to me or tweet to me or write to me, I would just be like, it's great that y'all say all the things that y'all do, but y'all do not know the real me. You all do not know who I am. You love the character. You love the way possibly that I played the character, but it's the character. it's something that someone's written. That's not how I am, and I think I've said that also before. So it just feels good that people have accepted me, and I really like that, and it just feels good.
This is Anu Tomar from UP.
Right.
What simple change could you make in your life that would have the biggest positive impact?
What simple change that would have a very okay, now when I happen to look back, maybe control over one's temper. If I could do that. Not that I have a problem with temper, but of course, what was seen in the house, of course, things were drastically different there. But I think control over one's tongue, if one has, does a lot. And if he gives one person who gives value to his tongue is fantastic. I think that's quite an achievement. And I think I try and value my tongue as much as I can.
Okay, this is Afrina Akhtar from Bangladesh, Dhaka. What is Siddharth's favorite time pass during the lockdown?
My favorite time pass is nothing. I just watch the news, which has always been my time pass. I just love watching the news, seeing what's happening around. And yeah, that's all what I do.
You know, I think you guys must have been so well prepared for lockdown because you guys were in the Bigg Boss house for so many months.
Right.
So
you know what? I find that slightly funny when people say that, because while we were in the house, we really wanted to get out of the house. Today, because you were there with people that you did not really know a lot, and at moments that you like to be there or would want to voluntarily walk out of there. But now, today, this lockdown, it's been with people that you love and want to spend time with, so it really does make a difference. And also that it's been good. It's been sad. Yes, it has been sad because there's so many people out there who lost their livelihood. There's so many daily wage workers, who've been out of job, would not have had the money. So it is sad there. So when I talk about, I'm happy in the lockdown, well, no, not really happy about it, but it's the best that we can do and the best we should do. And I think even today, if it's not really urgent, don't really go out of the house. And you aren't prepared, because this is a much better scenario. Like I said, with your loved ones, you have television, you have your phone, your life is pretty much sorted that like it wasn't over there.
I'm Priyanka Pawar from Maharashtra. What is your reaction when you see Sid Naz is trending in millions? The latest one, Sid Naz Shines, was trending worldwide #1 with 3 million plus tweets.
Yeah, it just feels wonderful. It just feels wonderful that, we were able to be ourselves, and for the audience to have connected with us in such a way. And it just feels wonderful because, when one comes out and hears that this has been the biggest season, and this has been a season where people have throughout the season spoken about the show, good, bad, ugly, whatever you call it or whatever you say, people have been glued to it. People have been connected, and people have fought, spoken, have had their word, and they've voiced it over and over. And it's been a part of every conversation, every office, more often than not, because that's what I've been hearing from a lot of people around when you just go out, that in the office, people who talk about it. So it just feels great that people have connected. And I'm, and I think kudos to Colors and Endemol that they could find a bunch like us, all of us who were so real and that people could feel connected to.